Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I want to show you how to create the seamless multi-photo Instagram post that you see all over Instagram now. It's very popular among photographers. I made this video maybe a year ago, but I found an easier way to do it, and now that it's more popular, I think a lot of people would be interested in how to do it. So if you guys enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is determine how many photos you want. So pretend you want 10, you want to use the max amount of photos. What you would do is you would multiply 1080 by the amount of photos you want. So in this case, 1080, which would be the width for one photo, times 10 is 10,800, and then the height stays the same. So what you end up with is, if you press create, is this very, very long strip. So basically what this is this is 10 photos. So you want to go to view, new guide layout, and you want to go to columns, make sure gutter is 0, and you want to set up 10 columns. So now you can see, this could be 10 photos, right? Like 10 vertical photos. So this could be 9, this could be 6, this could be 4. It just depends on how many photos you want. And then, so say you wanted like just 2 photos, it would just be 1080 times 2, and then that would be your width. So I'm just gonna open up my file explorer right here. I'm gonna go to some of the shoots I've done. So here I've done a concert right here. So I'm gonna just choose 10 of my favorite photos basically. And so let's get a horizontal one just for a different type of photo. I don't want to just use one type of photo, right? Like if they were just all vertical, then might as well just post them as all vertical. So we're gonna just move it right here. So essentially what this means, you guys are sort of confused what this is one photo. So when you slide, you can see that this starts to transition into the second and third photo. And also I'm gonna make the background black. Usually that's what I do. So this is gonna be the first photo, this is gonna be the second photo, and this is gonna be the third photo. And basically when you slide the photo or slide the post, that's how it's gonna end up, and it's gonna be seamless. That's why it's called a seamless multi-photo Instagram post. So there we have one photo. I'm just gonna choose this photo. We're gonna put this on top of the other, press Ctrl T and drag. And then there you have, this is the first photo. You could do something where it's like slightly on the first photo so it blends into the second one. Maybe make this smaller so it doesn't take up as much space. One thing you wanna make sure that doesn't happen is, for example, you saw how I resized the first photo. You wanna make sure that it doesn't go over this line, or it's gonna look a little weird when you slide. So just move it slightly there, unless it's on purpose, like unless you did that on purpose. But usually if you just want to take up an entire image, you don't want it to blend into the second image. So there you go, that should be fine. Let's get another horizontal one. So this one. So we're gonna put this to the top. So let's move this up there. Let's add another one. I'm doing this real quick, of course. It's not gonna be a cool layout like the other ones I do. There you go. Oh, I actually have a lot of horizontal ones. I didn't really notice. Could put one here. So the great thing about this is you have an open canvas and you can do whatever you want. So if you're really good with like layouts and spacing and presentation, this is the perfect type of thing for you. So there you go. I actually never posted this one. This one's actually really good. And let's finish it off with the last like 3-4 photos. Here. This part is like up to you. Like I'm really just showing how I do it. Like rotate this backwards or something. I don't know. Just something cool. So let's just add like one more photo so that I fill up more space. So you see the empty areas like right here. You can add something. Like what's empty on this? Like around this area, because it's just one photo, right? So you can just like, you can keep going with this. Like there. Okay, so now that you're done, you just want to make sure, like if you add one photo like this, it doesn't cross. So right here, this is before the line. So for example, like this one, if it went over the line when you're scrolling, it's just gonna have this really thin strip and it won't look good. So you just want to make sure that it lines up perfectly. Nothing else does it. Everything else crosses, like this one crosses. This one does too, this one does too. So basically when you're done, you want to right click. Usually it's gonna be crop tool. You want to switch to slice tool, and then you want to press slice from guides. And basically now you just press export and it'll export it separately. So export like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 separately. And then you go in your Instagram and you just select all of those. So usually I would just email myself these photos. So let's just make a folder called multi and just put 1. I'm going to upload these. I'm going to send it to myself and I'm going to show you how it looks like in the Instagram app. So right here, it's going to show up in images, and then here are the 10 photos. I'm going to email it to myself. Okay, so now that I'm on Instagram, I'm going to just go to my post right here. We're going to double click so that or like you can resize it, like you can pinch it to resize. We're going to just select the 10. Make sure that they're all like pinched like this. And we're going to go to next. And to preview it, you just want to go through here. And you want to see if the order is messed up by any chance. I think this one is some reason. Yeah, so this one and like the one back there are mixed up. So you just want to switch that. That's it. Okay, so that's it. So now you just want to make sure to go to the preview and see if everything is basically what you planned. And that there's no like white line or something. Like basically that it's seamless. So yeah, it's seamless. You post it. I'm going to post it and then delete it. But there you go. That's crazy. I'll show you an example of probably Thugger. So this black and white image right here. So you can see how that's seamless. This one from my first week of university. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, hit the thumbs up button. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.